Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Tiffany Renee. Welcome back. I want to first say thank you guys for all my returning subscribers that are here. To all my new subscribers that have come along, thank you guys. Welcome to the Tip Squad. And for all those who this is your first time, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, go ahead and drop those comments down below. You know, I definitely appreciate those. And of course, always share the videos. But guys, you know what? It's been, you've been seeing so many people, already starting to talk about, look, the time is here. The time is here. Well, it's almost here. We're like 2.5 weeks shy of hitting the Daytona Beach Bike Week. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I've been seeing a lot of you guys, saying you're preparing to get ready to head down, meaning you're getting your bikes together. I know how you feel about that, because I haven't started preparing yet, but because I know some of you guys are putting on new parts or, ordering things, get things done. Me, I just gotta clean EJ up real good. So I gotta make sure I get EJ cleaned up, get that oil change, make sure I get some fresh oil in there. Make sure you're getting that maintenance done. Y'all know I'm gonna be riding down. So all those who are riding down, let me know. Those that are trailing down, however you get there, just make sure you get there, because it's gonna be a good old time there. I do want to come here and talk a little bit about where I'm gonna kind of be at during the time frame that I'm down there. So I will be heading down there on Tuesday. If you've seen my previous videos before, you already know that I'll be heading down there Tuesday, March 5th, and I'll be staying all the way through Sunday, March the 10th. So I'm excited about that. I will be leaving out early, bright and early. I had originally planned to leave on Wednesday, but after speaking with Harley-Davidson, they wanted me to attend a couple other events. That's why I kind of rearrange things, and I will be down there on Tuesday. So I want to kind of run down the schedule, because I'm hoping to see you guys there. Y'all know I love to meet you guys, take pictures, chat it up a little bit, however, whatever it is. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys, and everything that I continue to do, y'all know, is for you guys. So Tip Squad, we're always there to have fun. I'm there to talk with you guys because I appreciate you guys. And like I always say, and I know it might be a little redundant, but it's the truth. I don't have a channel without you guys. So I definitely have to make sure I show the love, take the time, and give back to you guys. Forgive me if y'all see me picking up some paper here, because it's my notes. I don't remember my schedule all that well, but I will be there. Okay, so on Tuesday, I will be at the Daytona Speedway. So there is a women's panel. It will be at 2 p.m., 2 o'clock. So I will be there doing that on Tuesday. Hope to see you guys there. And I know that's still early in the week. Everybody hadn't came down, but if you're there, please try to attend. I would love to speak to you guys. On Wednesday, that is, we're gonna kind of move along through the schedule. Harley-Davidson and Biker Bell. So I will be doing an all-female ride there. It's a women's ride. So if you ladies are down there, come on out, come to this ride on Wednesday. Registration starts at 7:30 a.m. and kickstands will be up at 9. So most of the things that I'm telling you, they're over at Speedway, at the Harley-Davidson headquarters tent that they have out there. So it'll be over that way. So head on over there to the Speedway at the Harley-Davidson tent. Like I said, the registration starts at 7:30. I know that's early, but when we come to these events, guys, we don't come to get sleep. We come to hang out and have a good time with each other, okay? So like I said, registration starts at 7:30 and kickstands are up at 9. Of course, it starts there at the Speedway and it will be ending at the Teddy Moore Harley-Davidson there over at Destination Daytona. That area over there is what they call Destination Daytona. So that's where we will be ending at. Come on out, get registered in. If you hadn't registered already, if you never heard of it, check it out. Like I said, Biker Bells, they've partnered with Harley-Davidson for the event. So that's exactly where I will be at for that morning. Oh, and then I forgot to tell you guys. So after the ride, there will be an all-female bike show there. So come check us out. Come check the ladies out. I'm excited to see what bikes will be out there, that are in the show. So that'll be happening right after the ride. So if you do go on the ride, stick around and you can get to check out the bike show and see what's going on there. Let's see what we have for Thursday. If y'all follow me on Instagram, of course, my YouTube, my Facebook, wherever you follow me at, I'm sure you guys have already saw this, but I will be having my very first meet and greet, and I'm definitely excited about this. I'm excited for everything that I'm attending, that I'll be doing, but I'm definitely excited about my first meet and greet that I'll be doing there. Once again, guys, it's over at the Speedway at the Harley-Davidson headquarters at their tent there. It starts at 2 o'clock. I'm excited about that. So definitely make sure you guys show up so we can take pictures. I can speak. Some of you guys, I've chatted with online. I'm excited to see you in person. And please, guys, forgive me. Sometimes I might not remember everyone that I've talked to online, but I'm definitely appreciative of you guys, and I am excited about that. So definitely come over there, take a picture, say hello. I have stickers, poker chips, whatever. I'm just excited to meet you guys. So come on over and check me out there, guys. And that is going on for Thursday after my meet and greet. So I plan to, you know, ride on over to Bethune's for the Harley-Davidson footprints over there, where they have their tent and everything set up in the Bethune-Cookman. So make sure you guys come on over there. So I'll be over there at like 4 o'clock. We'll be headed over there and we can continue this thing on. I know there'll be other content creators over there, so you get to see them as well. So head on over, come on out, plan accordingly, guys. Look, it's just so much going on, but if you can make the time, we would definitely appreciate that. For Friday, this event happened last year and I missed it. I didn't get to attend, but I do plan to attend this year to Traveling Tall's ride-in bike show that he's having. And this is the second year for that. So I expect to be over there for that, over at the Bethune-Cookman side, you know, Harley-Davidson footprint. So check that out. I'm sure you guys will see several content creators over there as well. So I'm excited about that event. And that's going on Friday. But it's so many things that, and so many like places you can be down there, you know, whether you're going to these events or, you know, it's a bike rally and, you know, you make your fun because there's so many places you can be and so many things that you can do. Whether it's taking the scenic route rides, you know, they have the A1A and the Loop and all that. You can take those rides there. Some people ride up to Orlando, wherever you choose to ride at, guys. Just come down, have fun, and do what you do. I don't plan on going to parties or anything because most of the time when I go to these rallies, y'all know I'm there to, like, you know, meet you guys and just have fun and just be part of, you know, this hobby that's brought us all together in motorcycling. So I'm definitely there for that. Y'all know, if y'all seen my videos from last year, I did hang out at Bethune-Cookman side quite often. I was there a lot, so I plan to do that as well. Oh, also guys, King of the Baggers. If you're able to check out those races, they will be there this year. You know, that race right there is their first race that are kicking off, which starts Friday as well. So definitely that's something you can check out. Other than that, guys, like, it's so many things that you can find to do. So many vendors, you know, they'll be at Destination Daytona, they'll be over at the Speedway, and there's so many things that are going on. But I can't wait, I'm excited. Make sure you guys come by and see me at one of those events. If not one, all of them, whatever you feel, whatever you're doing, just make sure you're having a good old time. All those that are traveling down, be safe traveling, you know, can't wait to see you there. And I do have some special footage that you guys need to stick around and check out at the end of this video. While I was in Las Vegas, when I was out there riding the new models, the 2024 CVO ST, and then when I rode the standard Street Glide and Road Glide, I did get a chance to see the King of the Baggers, their new bike designs. So make sure you guys check this footage out. Those bikes are nice, and I can't wait to see them at the race this year. If you're not doing anything, make sure you guys check them out. Other than that, Tips Glide, y'all know what it is. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop those comments down below. If you hadn't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys are sharing these videos. Other than that, Tip Squad, y'all know I love you guys. Bye. Alright guys, we made it back from lunch. We're about to see something pretty cool. We're actually about to see the race team pull out their bikes, do some laps on the track. Oh, he's doing a wheelie. He's doing a wheelie. Man, I got like a piece of it. Everybody started running because you got to miss it. He did a wheelie come back on the track. This is awesome.
All good things.
Fresh off the track, I feel the heat. That's nice.
Just like everyone's riding out there.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Man, this bike is dope.
Is it good? Good. So cool to see the evolution.
While they put these bikes, start covering up the tires. Immediately the spray on the track.
Thanks for coming. It's good to see some familiar faces as well that we've had back a couple years ago. Proud to show you our 2024 race bikes. It's the first time they've been out in the wild and everybody got to see it. And of course, Kyle and James on the bikes as well. Pretty cool experience. We're happy to be here. We're happy to have a full conversion this year over to the new Road Glide platform. So we have the whole new bodywork, but as well as we have the enhancements across the bike for the new engine and the upgrades that come with that. We believe that we've got a killer bike here for the 2024 season. We can't wait to see these guys out there. We'll be announcing soon in terms of the race platform and the race program, but we have official partners on board this year. Mission Foods, again, Rockford, Fosgate, Olins, and Brembo have stepped in and really helped us bring our bikes to the next level, and really excited. It's great to have a direct tie to the production models and see what type of influence that racing has brought to the motor company, and in particular you see the use of carbon fiber and titanium components across the race bike that are the direct influence of the lightweight components on the street bike. The cooling strategy and the engine and the heads that we're using here have all been developed in conjunction with the powertrain that you see here over on the ST models. Suspension, very similar in terms of its performance and its tune, and of course you have a track mode on a bagger for the first time that comes directly out of this guy's map. So it's really fun to be a part of. I'm glad to see so many people here and smiling faces, and thanks for coming. Any questions if you want to ask, we can chat, or happy to answer. It's the first time the bikes and all their livery and the riders have been out on it, so you guys get to see it put together as a full package as early as anybody. And we'll be going testing here in a couple weeks, and we got a big week in front of us, but refining everything, getting ready for the season kickoff in Daytona, which is going to be the largest, fastest King of the Bagger season yet. We have 8 full doubleheader rounds, and stay tuned, there could be an additional one added, but we're going to have no less than 16 races going into next season. Go Harley!